Alright guys, it's daytime now here in the city of Manizales. We stayed here in this barrio. And man, we woke up late. It's like 10 right now. I was super tired after driving through that Paramo. You have to stay focused the whole time. The road is so narrow and curvy and there's trucks. Sometimes you gotta overtake them. Man, it was mentally really tiring. So I slept for like 9 hours. So today we're gonna go to the Galeria Manizales. I want to check out the market of Manizales, see what food they got there, see how the vibes are out there, and later we gotta go to Cali. And yeah, this is the barrio we stayed in, el barrio Uribe. Los barrios de Manizales. So this is the gallery area. It's a little weird area. Oh no, oh Lord, have mercy on my soul. That's a prostitute block. Look at how this shit looks out here. This is the gallery of Manizales, the market. And the galleries in Colombia are usually like this. It's like a big open space with a big roof like that. Oh, look at this bimmer. They're always pretty chaotic though. Like the galleries in Colombia are always really chaotic. They're usually in kind of a hood area. Look at all this stuff, wow. Whoa. You get anything you want. Look, they're selling remote controls and old batteries. Alright, this is the gallery. Oh, look at all that meat. Holy shit. Bro, look at this spot. There's restaurants up there, fruits and vegetables. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Venga, don José, me presta el trapito, yo le limpio a los jóvenes.
¿Ya tienen almuercito o todavía desayuno?
Sí, ya hay almuerzo de todo. Hay frijoles caldenses, hay sancocho con espinazo, hay plato de mondongo, hay sudado de almuerzo.
Ah, sí. Estoy grabando aquí la galería.
Y se da cuenta, ay, me la quitan. Que le da a tumbar. ¿A la galería, mijo?
¿Ah?
Se robará la galería.
So in Colombia, this is how you eat in the marketplaces. All marketplaces in Colombia, they'll have a section for meats, they'll have a section for fruits and vegetables, and then there'll also be restaurants where you can eat breakfast, lunch, and it's very home cooked. Like the style is a very home cooked flavor, and they get the ingredients from right here. From right here.
Venga, mi vida, toma sopita de sancocho.
Sopita de sancocho.
Voy a buscar las cucharas. Me pasa pasta.
Let me know how that tastes. So sopa de sancocho is like the caldo, like the broth of the sancocho. Gracias. These are frijoles. frijoles caldenses. So like frijoles that are typical to this department of Caldas. Look at that. So this has like sausage in it. It has chicharrón in it.
Para él.
Sí, para él.
Ese es el
Muchas
almuerzo.
gracias.
Muy bueno.
Valentina.
A ver, probemos eso.
Hacen charcas en todas partes. Y ahora él ver toda la gente por la casa lo conoce, lo saluda. Como el que se hace la mala pera.
Yeah, I thought the frijoles were good in Antioquia. These are another level, man. These are so good. Like even the broth is very flavorful. Like they're not plain at all. There's like a guiso with tomato and onion.
Buena, ya hay frijoles, mondongo, sancocho.
And this is what I got on the side. I got a meatball with rice, plantain, and a salad. Let's try this meat. I think I've never had such savory, flavorful, well condimented frijoles in my life. Look at this sausage. This is like a artesanal like sausage, bro. Like you can taste the herbs in the sausage. So good, it's so good. Best frijoles I've had in my life, hands down. I swear to God. Try it, try it. Es una cámara, una camarita chiquita.
Oiga, ¿no le vendieron más panela?
No.
Mazamorra.
Ojo,
Le echo muy poquita panela. La gente se enoja. Gotta have a good amount of panela with your mazamorra, bro. Come on, nah. Just so y'all can see, we don't like to waste food. Polish. Well, if I wasn't so full, I would try the mazamorra because it looks good, man. But I'm so full right now. Jesus Christ. I don't think I'm gonna eat again until nighttime. Gee. So we're gonna walk around now, around this area, so I can show y'all the Galeria and like the area, surrounding area. People sell all kinds of stuff here, man. It's a crazy vibe. And I haven't seen any English-speaking YouTuber come here to this area of Manizales. So, trying to bring y'all something different. So I'm gonna pay for this. Let's go take a little walk around here before we go to Cali.
Por acá la orden, muchachos.
Bueno, muchas gracias. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Oh, those are the leaves that they used to wrap the tamales.
Son hojas cítricos.
Should we go this way, I guess?
Look at the onions.
The thing about these markets is that they generate a lot of trash, like a lot of organic trash and meats. So they smell strong, they smell bad.
Para dolores de cabeza producidos por la migraña. Protejamos nuestras vías respiratorias.
The main entrance is like the craziest part of this whole area, but it's pretty calm. There's a lot of people. But yeah, y'all get the vibes. It's not anything that you wouldn't see in any other city, feel me? But I feel like nobody's ever walked around here and showed this part of Manizales. So there's guys selling a bunch of like old tools, hammers and nails and wrenches, tape measure. Papa criolla. crazy traffic jam up here. Papayas and oranges and pineapple. Go this way. Oh, that lady's smoking dope right there. That lady's just blowing it down like no one's business. There's a Jeep here. And you see all type of fruits and vegetables here, and potatoes, grapes, strawberries, watermelon, mango, bananas, carrot, onion, anything you could imagine in your anything you could imagine, my brother. Look at these plátanos fresh off the tree. Fresh off the tree, these plants. All right, guys, so this park is right by the Galeria. It's right by the market. It's called Alfonso Lopez Pumarejo. And this area looks really beat down. Like the buildings are really old. There's a lot of graffiti and garbage and traffic. There's a lot of people using drugs. A lot of people, you could tell they're cracked out. And it's not what comes to mind when you think of Manizales. Like when you think of Manizales, you think of like the cathedrals. You think of maybe El Cable, Palermo. Well, as a tourist, obviously the people who are from here know what their city is like and know these things exist here. But people who've never been to Manizales, maybe they just heard a few things about it. Usually you only hear good things. Every city, not just Colombian or Latin American, but every city in the world has a dark side to it. So, yeah, that's what we're exploring right now. I'm gonna do another little lap on the Galeria, by La Galeria, and then we gotta head out. It's just gonna get late for us to go to Cali. Cali's like 5 hours from here.
Usted no me trajo las cuchillitas.
Ahorita oscuro, mi hermano. Oscuro.
No tengo mayor. No las trajo.
Ya, va a ser.
¿Qué colores son? Pues que yo no los tengo.
Pablito, el azul. Gracias.
Ah,
These are called burrapos here in Colombia. These small bananas, they're very sweet. These little small burrapitos, plantains, cilantro.
Plático que me regalaron.
Ay, Dios.
Plático que me regalaron, me lo llevo para la casa. Una tía lo va a vender allá en un granero que necesita.
esa vieja
Sí.
mata gatos. Los vendía por salchicha.
Lo va a llevar por el restaurante.
La
chica.
salchicha. Está rellena así.
Envuélvalo en eso para que sea más bonito.
Ahorita le digo, Jonathan, van a regalar ese lo tengo. Ay, mami.
So those ladies, in case you didn't catch that, we're joking about selling the cat for meat. Obviously it was a joke, but it was like a weird ass joke. And we're gonna go to the bus terminal now.
Esta casa, mejor dicho, tiene más de 60 años. Cuando mi mamá la compró, valió 14.000 pesos.
14.000 pesos.
No, pues acá nos criamos todas.
No,
y
me
mira
lo que
cómo
vale un
está.
almuerzo.
Sí, y para un almuerzo. Tiene por ahí 60 años, más de 60 años, por ahí 60 años. La hemos cuidado mucho, entonces.
Claro, está como nueva, está muy linda.
Sí.
Y esto acá antes era como campo, cuando ustedes llegaron aquí.
Sí, eran casitas muy feas, pero ya han edificado mucho y hay puros edificios. Y este es un punto muy bueno porque estamos cerquita
Muy
de
cerca
todo.
al centro.
Sí.
Sí.
Entonces, en ese tiempo pues quedábamos como la gente abandonada en estos barrios, pero todo se moderniza y todo.
Pero sí habían casitas aquí en ese tiempo
Sí,
cuando
todas
compraron.
estas mismas, pero más viejitas y
Alright, we're on the bus now to go to the terminal to go to Cali. Chao Manizales. chimba conocerte. Pero mucha lluvia, hombre. Rains too much here. They're playing música parrandera. The bus terminal's right here, and from here this is like the lowest part of the city. You can see how the city goes up and up. You can't even see the main cathedral where the centro is. It's like behind this mountain up more. So yeah, we're here. We gotta get on the bus to Cali. Let's see when the next one leaves. Alright, so this is the terminal of Manizales. This is where you buy the tickets. You can go, we're taking Expreso Palmira to Cali. But you can go to any pueblo in Caldas, in Risaralda, in the El Eje Cafetero, Rio Sucio, Anserma, Cali. Parce, you can go to Huila. You can go to Medellin, to Bogota. So from here you can go to a lot of places. And since for Colombians it's not really accessible, the prices to travel by plane aren't really accessible in most people's budget. Most people travel by land, so this is the way. Expreso Palmira. And they sell snacks, they sell coffee. El terminal de Manizales, aquí estamos. So anyways guys, we're gonna go to Cali. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you on the next one, alright? Peace out guys.